everyone, my name is Megan Roosevelt. I'm a registered dietitian nutritionist, the founder of Healthy Grocery Girl, and spokesperson for Limoneira's Take a Healthy Stand campaign and the PEELIN GOOD tour. The PEELIN GOOD, the Zest is yet to come tour is brought to you by Limoneira's Take a Healthy Stand campaign and Nature's Pharmacy educational platform. This tour will kick off Tuesday, September 1st, and will travel virtually coast to coast to 18 different US cities as well as Toronto. Our tour stops in different cities where our nation's largest supermarkets are headquartered. Our amazing influencers participating in this tour are fantastic at coming up with recipes, food and drink ideas, and they have several thousand followers. Every month, the PEELIN GOOD Limoneira influencers will be sharing with us really simple and fun ways to enjoy more Limoneira lemons. And here's a look at some of the influencers helping us kick off this tour. Each month, we will also showcase a new city and share tips and highlight the great retail dietitian nutritionists that help American and Canadian families happily get healthy. We are also so excited to share with you about Lemonade Day in each city. Lemonade Day is a really fun program that teaches youth how to start, own, and operate their very own business, a lemonade stand. Each year in participating cities, youth have the opportunity to experience entrepreneurship by setting up their business during their city's community-wide Lemonade Day. The PEELIN GOOD tour starts on September 1st, 2020 and will continue through 2021. You can follow the PEELIN GOOD tour on Limoneira's Instagram. We will be reposting content created by our tour influencers. And make sure you're also subscribed to the Limoneira YouTube channel because we'll be sharing lots of fun tour updates right here on our channel. And for more details, make sure you're following the official The PEELIN GOOD tour website. If you're ready to start PEELIN GOOD, I am so excited to kick off this tour. Make sure you are subscribed to the Limoneira YouTube channel and you're following Limoneira on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter because the Zest is yet to come. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you real soon. Bye!